So here's why Miss Jenny Blue decides not to work. She's got the wrong... See, it's supposed to be like that. Wrong bolt, obviously. Usually that's in. So at some point when this got disconnected, it got... whatever, vanished, broken. So someone attempted to half-ass it. Well, the half-ass is the wrong thread. So that's why we're out here making contact in and out. And that is fucking hot too, so I am not happy with that. So I'm gonna call get us a cable and we'll swap this out today. So let me make a phone call. I'm gonna send you this video right now, Barry. Then I will go back next door to my shop. When the cable shows up, we'll come over, pop it in, we'll move this baby and continue on. So I just pulled this bolt. It's an SAE 3/8, which is obviously not what this is because these are metric. God, this thing is hot, by the way. It's hard to hold. It's warm. It was hot because it was arcing around. So, like I said, I'll get the cable and we will be on the way. So this is how I know someone did some half-assery. Stacked washers so they could use the wrong bolt. God, this pisses me off.